Hello student, welcome once again here on my Rajesh sir YouTube channel sir. Now today I will teach you physics and in physics as you know that we are studying sound. So sounds here is the range of sounds. We will study first and try to understand that. So what is the hearing range of the human beings and some comparing with the some animals also, so that we can understand that which does the animals have a hearing range, so what and so what is the hearing range of the say human beings as a older age and as a primary stage, means that when the growing up and as the child stage below the five under the 5 years age. Okay, so here range of hearings we will study range of hearing. Okay, so range of hearings, first of all we will try to define the range of hearings. The uh, the average frequency range over which we can define here the average frequency over which over which the human ear is the human ear is sensitive to human ear is to sensitive to is called range of hearing. This is range of hearings. Now up to the what range of hearings, the audible range of sound for the audible range of sound for human beings is 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. Okay, so we can say that 20 to 20,000 hertz or kilohertz. We can also define it in a kilohertz also. In children under the age of in children under the age of 5 and some other animals like like dog, understand, like dog having the range of hearing is 25,000 hertz. If we are discussing about the growing man's growing a man's hearing be become less sensitive less sensitive to sound. Okay, these are the characteristic features of the hearing range. Now further we will discuss about that is why about the characteristic features of the some specific sound like infrasonic sound, ultrasonic sound. The difference of the some types of sound we will also discuss here. And first I will give you only these statements and some definitions. Hearing range of the sounds, these are the normal. Some questions and sometimes question asked that what is the hearing range under the human beings and under the age of 5 and of the child, and some animals also hearing range is given here. Okay, thank you, bye bye, and don't forget to say subscribe my channel so that you can not miss the video. Okay, bye bye.